So dear students, important formulas and the definitions and statements of the simple harmonic motion. So simple harmonic motion is nothing but it is the motion in which the restoring force proportional to the displacement and directed opposite to it. Simple harmonic motion is nothing but an oscillatory motion in which the restoring force is proportional to the displacement and directed opposite to it. So the restoring force formula is nothing but F is equal to minus Kx, and restoring couple is nothing but T is equal to minus C into theta. And the equation of motion, so the equation of motion for a linear simple harmonic oscillator or simple harmonic motion is nothing but d square x by dt square plus omega naught square x is equal to 0, where omega square x is equal to k by m. Similarly, angular simple harmonic motion equation is nothing but d square theta by dt square plus omega naught square in theta is equal to 0, where omega square is equal to c divided by I. And the displacement in simple harmonic motion is nothing but x is equal to a times of sine omega t plus theta. X is equal to a sine omega t plus theta. So x is equal to a sine omega t plus theta is the displacement. So where a is the amplitude and omega is the angular frequency, and that is nothing but 2 pi times of f, that can be written as say 2 pi by t, and omega t plus phi is nothing but phase at time t, and phi is nothing but it is the initial phase or phase constant. And velocity in simple harmonic motion is nothing but, see, x is equal to a into sine omega t plus phi. So here this is nothing but v is equal to say dx by dt, nothing but say d by dt of a sine omega t plus phi. Okay, so from this automatically, if you do the differentiation, what you get? A times of sine omega t plus phi is nothing but what? Here omega is there, so omega will come here, and this is cos omega t plus phi. So this is v. Okay, so like this. So this v can be further represented as v is equal to omega of a square minus x square power 1 by 2. So v becomes v maximum at the expression can be written as a times of omega, and it becomes v minimum, that is nothing but the 0. So these are the cases when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So when x is equal to 0, v maximum is equal to a omega, and when x is equal to a, v minimum is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, if you have acceleration in simple harmonic motion, that is a is nothing but dv by dt, or here is represented as f, that is nothing but d square x by say dt square, that is nothing but minus omega square a into sine omega t plus phi. Okay, then acceleration is nothing but minus omega square into x. Sometimes it is omega square x or omega square y, that depends actually. So this will be maximum, nothing but it is a times of omega square, minimum is 0. For the extreme positions, this is maximum. At x is equal to 0, this acceleration becomes 0. So the period and the frequency which is given here is say T is equal to 2 pi by omega, that is equal to 2 pi into square root of m by k, and the frequency n is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi, that into square root of k by m. Similarly, if you have kinetic energy, this kinetic energy in SHM is nothing but Ke is equal to half mv square, that is nothing but half m omega square a square into cos square omega t plus phi, or further this can be written as, in the place of m omega square, it is represented as k, so this is k times of a square cos square omega t plus phi. So the Ke is equal to half m omega square into a square minus x square, that is equal to half into k into a square minus x square. So the Ke becomes maximum. If the Ke becomes maximum when x is equal to 0, then this case is nothing but half into k into a square. So Ke becomes minimum when x is equal to plus or minus a. So the mean value of Ke with respect to the displacement is 1/3 Ka square, and other one is with respect to the time, that is 1/4 into Ka square. And the potential energy in simple harmonic motion is nothing but, potential energy is half Kx square is equal to half into m omega square x square, and this further it can be written as half into Ka square. So m omega square is nothing but it is represented as k, and x square is nothing but a sin omega t plus phi. So this is represented as a square sin square omega t plus phi. Then from that, this Pe potential energy becomes maximum. That expression is half m omega square a square, and further you can represent this as 2 pi square mn square a square at extreme positions, and this becomes minimum when at x is equal to 0. Then the mean value of potential energy with respect to the displacement is 1/6 times of Ka square, and mean potential energy with respect to the time is 1/4 into Ka square. Similarly, there is a total energy in simple harmonic motion expression is, it is like, at the center position where the kinetic energy and the potential energy, if you see, so at this point the potential energy is maxima at the center, and it is, potential energy is 0 at the center and it becomes maxima at the end points, whereas the kinetic energy is maximum at the center and it becomes minimum and 0 at the extreme positions. So that is what the total energy. So the total energy expression is kinetic energy plus potential energy. That is, you can write it as kinetic energy is nothing but, total energy is nothing but kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is represented as half Ka square is equal to half m omega square is equal to 2m phi square n square a square. And the period of oscillations of mass joined to a spring is T is equal to 2 pi into root of m by k. K is what? Spring constant, and here spring constant K is nothing but, you have a spring constant K and whose length is L, then this spring constant K is inversely proportional to the length. So like this, you have two springs and whose spring constants of K1 and K2s and their lengths L1 and L2s. Then the expression will be K1 is equal to L by L1 into K, that represented as L is nothing but L1 plus L2 divided by L1 into K into P, and K2 is nothing but L1 plus L2 divided by L2 into